In recent years, popcorn has gained recognition not only as a popular snack in movie theaters but also as a valued food option for its potential health benefits. Originating from the Americas, popcorn is made from popped corn kernels and has been consumed for centuries in various cultures around the world. However, it is in modern times that popcorn emerges as a nutritious and versatile snack alternative, capable of offering a range of health advantages when prepared properly. In this era where concern for healthy eating is on the rise, popcorn stands out as a food that combines flavor, convenience, and nutritional value. Unlike many processed snacks, often laden with empty calories, saturated fats, and artificial additives, popcorn, when prepared correctly, can be a light, satisfying, and nutrient-rich snacking option. Let's delve into the health benefits of popcorn in detail. But first, I'd like to share a valuable resource. If you're looking for a diet guide to promote your health, I'll leave a link to an ebook in the pinned comments that may assist you. Now, let's proceed. Source of fiber. Popcorn is an excellent source of dietary fiber, crucial for healthy digestion and various metabolic functions. The fiber in popcorn is predominantly insoluble, meaning it passes virtually intact through the digestive tract, increasing stool volume, facilitating intestinal transit, and preventing constipation. Additionally, fiber plays a crucial role in promoting gut health, serving as a substrate for beneficial bacteria in the colon, fostering a healthy intestinal microbiome. These bacteria perform vital functions, including fermenting fiber into short-chain fatty acids, providing energy for colon cells, and producing B-complex vitamins and vitamin K. Another benefit of fiber is its ability to promote satiety. It increases food volume without adding significant calories, aiding in reducing hunger and overeating. This aspect is especially relevant for those seeking weight loss or maintaining weight health, as it can help control calorie intake without generating a sense of deprivation. Furthermore, fiber has been associated with a range of health benefits, including reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, type 2 diabetes, and various types of cancer. It contributes to lowering LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol levels in the blood, stabilizing blood sugar levels, and promoting a healthy intestinal environment, crucial factors in preventing these conditions. Antioxidants. The corn kernels used in popcorn preparation contain a variety of antioxidants, such as polyphenol, carotenoids, and vitamin E, which play an essential role in protecting against oxidative stress and cellular aging. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative conditions. Polyphenols constitute a diverse group of antioxidant compounds present in various plant-based foods, including corn kernels. They have anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and neuroprotective properties, with studies indicating that a diet rich in polyphenol is associated with a lower risk of several chronic diseases. Carotenoids, on the other hand, are plant pigments found in fruits and vegetables with orange, red, and yellow hues, which also possess antioxidant properties. They help protect cells against damage from free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote eye, skin, and immune health. Vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant found in vegetable oils, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, plays a crucial role in protecting cell membranes against oxidative damage. Additionally, it contributes to reducing inflammation, strengthening the immune system, and promoting cardiovascular health. Together, the antioxidants present in popcorn confer a range of health benefits, including protection against chronic diseases, reducing the risk of inflammation, and supporting healthy cellular function. Low calorie content. When prepared healthily, popcorn is a low-calorie and low-fat snack, making it an ideal choice for those looking to control weight or adopt a balanced diet. A serving of popped popcorn without added oil or butter contains approximately 30 calories, making it a light and satisfying option. Additionally, popcorn is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, providing a sustainable source of energy for the body. Complex carbohydrates are digested slowly by the body, aiding in maintaining blood sugar levels and avoiding energy spikes followed by abrupt drops, which can lead to fatigue and excessive hunger. The low-calorie content of popcorn makes it an ideal option for snacks, between meals, or as a side dish for other foods, such as fruits or vegetables. It can help satisfy cravings for salty and crunchy foods without adding extra calories to the diet. However, it is important to note that the calorie content of popcorn can increase considerably if large amounts of butter or oil are added during preparation. Therefore, it is essential to prepare popcorn healthily using methods that minimize the addition of fat and calories. Whole grains. Popcorn is made from whole grain corn kernels, making it an excellent source of whole grains. Whole grains are those that retain all parts of the grain, the bran, endosperm, and germ. This is relevant because each part of the grain contains valuable nutrients that offer a variety of health benefits. The bran, the outer layer of the grain, is an excellent source of dietary fiber, B-complex vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The fiber in the bran helps promote digestive health, reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and control blood sugar levels. B-complex vitamins are essential for energy metabolism, nerve function, and red blood cell formation. The endosperm, the largest part of the grain, mainly contains starch, the primary source of energy for the body. Starch is digested slowly by the body, providing a steady release of energy over time and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, the endosperm also contains some proteins and modest amounts of vitamins and minerals. The germ, the innermost part of the grain, is an excellent source of healthy fats, proteins, fiber, B-complex vitamins, vitamin E, antioxidants, and minerals. The healthy fats in the germ, such as omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, are important for cardiovascular health, brain function, and skin health. Additionally, the germ is a rich source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells against oxidative stress. Incorporating whole grains, such as popcorn, into a balanced diet can offer a range of health benefits, including promoting digestive health, reducing the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and various types of cancer, as well as maintaining a healthy weight. 5. Nutritious option compared to processed snacks. When contrasted with many processed snacks, such as potato chips, pretzels, and cookies, popcorn prepared healthily emerges as a more beneficial alternative for health. These processed snacks are often loaded with empty calories, saturated fats, trans fats, added sugars, sodium, and artificial additives, contributing to issues like weight gain, heart problems, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and other chronic issues. On the other hand, when prepared correctly, popcorn can be a nutritious snack choice. Naturally low in calories and fats, popcorn does not contain saturated fats or trans fats. Additionally, it is an excellent source of fiber, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients, all favorable for health. However, it is crucial to note that not all popcorn is equal. Many commercially available options are highly processed and include artificial additives, saturated fats, trans fats, added sugars, and high sodium content. Therefore, it is important to examine product labels and opt for popcorn prepared healthily, free from harmful ingredients. Furthermore, when preparing popcorn at home, it is essential to employ methods that reduce the use of oil, butter, and salt. For example, popping popcorn in an air popper or in a pan with a small amount of healthy oil, such as coconut oil, and seasoning it with a pinch of sea salt or natural herbs and spices can add flavor without increasing unnecessary calories or sodium. In summary, popcorn prepared healthily offers a nutritious and less harmful alternative to many processed snacks. When choosing popcorn as a snack, it is crucial to opt for varieties prepared healthily, avoiding ingredients harmful to health. Introducing popcorn into a balanced diet can foster healthy eating habits and reduce the consumption of processed snacks and unhealthy foods. Here are some ways to prepare popcorn healthily. 1. Popping with minimal oil. A classic method involves popping popcorn in a pan with a little healthy oil, such as coconut oil or olive oil. A small amount of oil is added to the hot pan, popcorn kernels are poured in, and the pan is covered. By occasionally shaking the pan, you ensure that the kernels pop evenly, offering a healthy option by avoiding common additives in microwave popcorn. 2. Using an air popper. Air poppers are devices designed specifically for popping popcorn without the need for oil. Popcorn kernels are added to the compartment, the device is turned on, and you wait until the popcorn is ready. This completely eliminates the use of oil, producing light and crunchy popcorn. 3. Oil-free microwave popcorn. For those who prefer convenience, there are microwave popcorn varieties that do not require the addition of oil. Microwave popcorn bags available on the market pop solely with heat, reducing fat and calorie intake. 4. Adding natural seasonings. After preparation, you can add a variety of natural seasonings to popcorn to enhance flavor without compromising health. Pinches of sea salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, oregano, or nutritional yeast can provide extra flavor without unnecessary calories or sodium. 5. Including fresh herbs and spices. An even healthier option involves adding fresh herbs and spices to popcorn. Chopped fresh rosemary, thyme, parsley, chives, or basil can provide a fresh and aromatic flavor. Adding a little Parmesan cheese or lemon can also add extra flavor. 6. Incorporating dried fruits or nuts. For a more indulgent yet still healthy version, dried fruits such as cranberries or raisins, or nuts such as almonds, cashews, or pistachios can be added. In addition to a sweet and crunchy flavor, they provide nutrients such as fiber, protein, and healthy fats. These are just some ways to prepare popcorn in a healthy and tasty way.